Okay, this is a short video on how to build the display for the front of the robot that has the Moire, or more correctly pronounced Moire display. And there's not very many parts involved in it. You have this plate. This is a separate piece, this little driving wheel, which interfaces with the gear that's mounted inside the gearbox. Basically used to build video for the Pogot color wheel robot. And this is just a different plate that goes in the front. Instead of building the color wheel, you build this one. So ignore that for a moment. This part, this big frame part, sits flat on your printer, and you need supports just around for that part there. And the rest of it prints fine. Then this center part is basically this wheel right here. You can see it's got a hole in the center. So then you've got this disc. Now that peg has been glued on after the fact, as on all of these. So imagine this disc printing flat with a little post in the center. So you shove that in, glue the wheel onto the post like that, glue the peg into the drive wheel like that, because it interfaces with this gear that's already in the robot, because they line up, and that's how they hit and do the drive. Then you've got this larger outer ring, and you want to make sure that it goes on the opposite. In other words, you don't want to put it on this way, the same direction as that one, because you won't get any effect. Put it so they're opposites each other, and then actually the slower this moves, the better the effect is. And you can have them spiral out or spiral in, whichever direction you want to go. Do them in various colors. In this case, I went with black on these rings, and I had the gold for the background, so gold or silver would allow the effect to show through better. It's turning a little bit faster than I would have liked, but it's a decent effect. Like I say, it's just the standard Pogot build, like for the color wheel, and what was the other one? The gears. And then this one here, which is your Moire or Moire. And not very many parts. You can glue that one on there, and then you've got that. Or you can put on your color wheel one, and you've got that. I guess a person could even magnetically mount these and just build one robot and stick on the gear one, or stick on this one, or stick on the color wheel one. There's lots of options you can do with this thing. Just a short video though, showing the few parts for doing that. As far as the whole rest of the robot, building the parts, the correct way to print them and support them, that's all covered in the Build the Pogot color wheel version. So check out that video.